Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All my lovely students of class 8, as you know that I am Sartishan in front of you, and I am very happy to announce that we have finished the portion of arithmetics and also algebra as far as first term examination is concerned. Alright, so I am starting geometry, and all of you open your book, page number 156. This is my lecture number 18, and the topic is fundamentals of geometry. Many definitions, and I will not run fast, slow, so you will understand that. First of all, pay your attention towards the board and have a look what I have written over there. This thing. Have a look. First of all, when we talk about fundamentals of geometry, so first of all, this thing is over here. Number one, point. What is a point? Let me tell you. Point is a very small dot. It has no dimension, nothing. And when two lines intersect each other, the point is formed where the lines intersect each other. Okay? Have a look. I will explain you. See, two lines. Line XY, line PQ. These two lines intersect each other on a point O. So, this is the point over here. This is the point, see? Now, definition. Point. A point is a small dot which has no dimension. It is named by a capital letter A, B, C, D, whatever it may be. Maybe X, maybe Y, maybe Z. And see this thing, try to understand that. The diagram, XY and PQ are two lines. See, XY and PQ are two lines which intersect each other on point O. I hope you understand the definition of point. Alright? You understand? Now, number two. Line segment. Do you understand line? Okay. Everybody understand that? A boy or a student or girl of class 1, they understand line. What is the line? Look over here. It's a line, and you may put a name over here. Understand? AB is a line. I was just telling you about the line and also line segment. Segment means a piece. When you cut a big line into 2, 3 or 4 parts, they are called pieces. So we can call it piece or line segment. I hope you understand that. Now the definition. What is a line segment? If A and B are 2 points, see, this is A, this is B, 2 points. Then the line segment AB consists of A and B and all the points between them. Line segment means a piece of line. I hope you understand that. So, what is the line segment? Line segment is a piece of line. It may be small, it may be long, it depends upon the measurement. Number 3, a straight line or just line. We have 2 types of lines. A straight line that's a straight line. It's not a straight line. This is a straight line. This is not a straight line. This is a straight. This is a straight. This is a straight. That is not straight. Not straight. I hope you understand that. Now, the definition. A straight line or line. If a line segment AB is extended. Extended means you are increasing that. Understand? You are increasing that. That extended. Indefinitely is extended indefinitely in both directions. We get a line AB. You see, the direction is over here, the direction is over there. Here, there. To left hand side, to right hand side. We are extended it to left hand side, to right hand side. So we get a line. This line is called a straight line. Number 4, ray. If a line segment extends indefinitely only in one direction, this is very important, only in one direction. You see, you have both direction over here, left hand, right hand, but you over here only one direction. So in one direction, there we get a ray. What is the difference between straight line and ray? What is the difference? The difference is that it has both directions. It has only one direction. This is the difference between straight line and ray. Understand? These are the basic definitions when you start learning geometry. That's why the topic is fundamentals of geometry. So, you will have to remember and learn the definitions. Understand that? You understand, Ray? If you understand the definitions of point, line segment, straight line, ray, then I am coming on postulate number 1. Have a look, all of you. What is postulate number 1? One and only one line can pass through two or more different points. You see, this is the line, and these are different points. You see, A, B, C, D, E, F, they are all the points. So I am telling you postulate number 1. First of all, read it carefully. Dear students, what I am thinking, maybe you are listening the word postulate first time in your life. Just possible. I am thinking that. So you are listening this word postulate and you have a confusion in your mind. What does it mean? So, if you will not learn the meaning of postulate, you cannot understand that. I am writing the meaning of postulate over there. You try to understand. Okay? You understand now? You understand now? The reason is that I'm telling you frankly, the reason is that my all lectures are in English language. You are in class 8. Assembly Caps is in English medium institutions. That's why I'm speaking in English and I'm giving my lectures in English, and it would be much better if you try to understand that. Okay? It will be appreciated. Okay? Now, come on. Postulate number 1. These are the points. Okay? And one and only one line can pass through two or more different points. See this line. This is only one line. This is only one line. It can pass through the different points. This is our postulate. Number 5. Collinear and non-collinear points. First of all, look at the diagram. See? It's a straight line, and all the points over here on the same straight line, these are the collinear points, and see, It's also a straight line, but this point is over here on the line. That point is little bit up and this point is little bit down. So all 3 points are not in same way. So these are called non-collinear points. And now read the definition. All of you open your book, page number 156 and 157. Collinear and non-collinear points. Collinear points lie on the same line. You see the example? Non-collinear points do not lie on same line. Look at this. Look at that. Carefully listen. Very carefully. Understand? Good. If you understand postulate number 1, so now I am coming on postulate number 2, page 157. What is the postulate? This is the postulate of collinear points. Remember this thing? Postulate 2. This is the postulate of collinear points. If A, B and C are 3 different collinear points and line segment AC is equal to line segment AB plus line segment BC. See this mark, this sign, that, you see? What is that? This is the sign of line segment. You see? A long dash over AC, AB, BC. A long dash. It represents that they are line segments. We say point B is between the point A and C. This point B is between the points A and C. If AB is equal to BC, this is AB is equal to BC. It means this segment and this segment are equal. AB is equal to BC means equal. This is AB, this is BC. The both are equal. You see, line segment AB is equal to line segment BC. Then point B is called bisector of line segment AC. Bisector, which divides the line in 2 equal parts. That is called bisector. I know that today I spoke some words. Maybe you are listening these words first time in your life. I understand that. Dear students, I like you, or in other words, I love my students. So it doesn't matter really. If you do not understand anything, write your comments. I'm over here to take care. Okay? So, bisector of line segment AC, point C is beyond B. Point C is beyond B on line AB, and point A is beyond B, and point A is beyond B on line. What is beyond? Beyond. What does it mean? It means maybe to this side, maybe to that side. We say, beyond my expectations. Remember this sentence. Beyond my expectations. For example, I'm talking about one of the students. I think her name is Eman. I expect Eman to get a good position in the examination, but fortunately she got top position, that is beyond my expectations. You understand the meaning of beyond? Beyond the expectations, in the same way, beyond the point. Alright? Point A is beyond point B, on line BC. I have completed my lecture and the topic was fundamentals of geometry. Homework. Learn definitions and postulate 1 and 2. Dear student, it's my first lecture on geometry. So, I want you to learn all the definitions. It's very necessary. Okay?